In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 pricing hacks that you can use to increase your click-through rate and your conversion rates. These hacks help to add urgency to your offer and are exactly what we use to generate over $2 million for our clients every single month. So how can we use pricing strategies to hack into our customers' minds and make them want to purchase our product over the competitors? We need to do 2 things. We need to create a sense of urgency in the offer and also make the customer think that they are getting a good discount. Everyone loves a good deal, but the problem is that comes straight off your bottom line. A 20% discount is awesome as a customer, but as a seller, you have to have pretty big margins to sustain that in the long term. Thankfully, with Amazon, there is a way that we can make our product seem like it is discounted, when in reality, it is selling at full price. We can do this by creating a strike-through price on our listing. Before I dive into the 2 strategies that we use to create the strike-through price, just to give a bit of context, I want to go over the different types of pricing options that you have on Amazon. So if you look in the back end of your Amazon listing, you will see 3 different pricing options under the offer section. These options are list price, sale price, and finally your price. List price is what the product is listed at. Sale price is the price of the product when it is on sale. Finally, your price is the actual selling price of the product and the one that will display on Amazon's listing and the amount that a customer will pay for your product. So let's get into the 2 ways that we can create the strike-through price on our listings. The first way is by utilizing the list price. To create a strike-through price using your list price, you're going to set that at $25. But this is not what you're actually going to sell the product for. Instead, you set the your price field to be $20. On the listing, it will display as $25 marked down to $20. The customer will therefore think that they are getting a great deal and also have that sense of urgency that they need to purchase the product in order to get the discount. But in reality, $20 is the normal selling price of the product. No one wants to miss out on a good deal, and this is why people will always purchase your product if they see that there is a discounted price on it. The second strategy is to use the sale price. So when setting a sale price, you'll also need to add in an end date for that sale, because you're essentially setting a sale on your product. This can be multiple years in the future or even just a couple of days. It all depends how long you want the sale to run for. With the sale price, your listing will show the strike through, but also the percentage discount that the customer is getting. For example, a 20% or a 30% discount. This visual indicator of savings is a powerful incentive to make a customer purchase your product. Here are some important tips for maintaining that strike through price on your listing. The first one is avoid leaving the price unchanged for too long. If you leave your price unchanged for too long with the set list price and the set your price, Amazon will slowly but surely realize that your price is the actual selling price of the product. They will therefore eventually remove that strike-through price from your listing. You should therefore go in and update your prices every couple of weeks or months to make sure that you maintain that strike-through value. You should always use strike-through pricing strategically, as it is not a long-term strategy. It's something that can be leveraged during holiday and gifting periods, and just periods in general where there's going to be more traffic coming onto your listing. It can boost clicks, sales, and overall momentum, helping to increase your product's rank. However, if you're not a fan of the strike-through pricing, you have another option, and that is clippable coupons. This is why coupons are really cool. Customers have to clip the coupon in order for it to apply to their purchase. Because of this, a lot of the time, a customer will forget to clip the coupon, but they will still purchase your product. This means that you end up making the sale at full price. Coupons can also help to increase your click-through rate, as on the search results page, it will show up as a big green badge next to your product price. This visual cue can attract customers who do not want to miss out on the potential of grabbing a good deal. This is how you can set up a coupon in Amazon's backend. Strike-through pricing and coupons are both incredibly effective pricing strategies on Amazon, but they are even more effective when you use them with SEO optimization and PPC campaigns to drive even more traffic to your listings. If you're interested in seeing how we can help you increase your sales by 30% in 3 months by implementing our proven SEO, PPC, and graphic design systems, go to the link in the description below to schedule your free consultation call today. If you got value out of this video, check out this other one where we show you how you can optimize your listing's click-through rate and all the different strategies that are involved in optimizing your main image.